In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage unsubscribes in Campaign Monitor. Keeping your email list clean and honoring unsubscribe requests is essential for deliverability, compliance, and a better experience for your audience. I'll walk you through the exact path in Campaign Monitor and explain what each unsubscribe option actually does so you can confidently choose the right one. Start by opening your browser and searching for Campaign Monitor. Look for the official result from Campaign Monitor with the correct domain and click through to the website. Once you're there, click Login. Use your usual account credentials and complete any authentication prompts you normally use. After you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Lists and Subscribers. This is the hub where all of your audience lists live. Find the list you want to manage and click the specific list name. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected the right list will help prevent removing a contact from places you didn't intend. Inside the list, look for the option labeled Remove Subscribers. This is where Campaign Monitor centralizes unsubscribe actions. Clicking it doesn't immediately erase anything. It simply opens the controls you need to specify how you want to remove someone. Under Unsubscribe Options, you'll see a drop-down that determines the scope of the removal. The default choice is Delete from All Lists. Select this when someone wants to stop receiving any email from your organization. Campaign Monitor will add that address to your account-wide suppression list and opt them out of every list in your account. The suppression list is essentially a do not email register. Even if that contact exists on another list or gets re-imported later, they won't receive future campaigns unless they explicitly resubscribe according to your policies. The other option is delete from this list only. Choose this when a subscriber wants to leave just this particular list, say a specific newsletter or event series, but still receive other communications. With this option, the contact remains active on your other lists and is not placed on the suppression list, so they can continue getting messages they've still opted into. Before you confirm, double-check that you've selected the correct list and the correct unsubscribe scope. Remember, removing someone from all lists is a broad action designed to respect global opt-outs, while removing from this list only is best for topic-specific preferences. Once you confirm your choice, the change is applied immediately, and future sends will honor that preference. That's it. Simple, clear, and compliant. Here and